In this video, I'll introduce you to this awesome NutriBullet Select blender and demonstrate how you can convert these to this in just a few minutes. Now, the products that I'll be using are almond milk, ripe banana, oats, and a mixture of blueberries and blackberries. Firstly, you're going to add the contents to the blender. Then you're going to use the power button to turn it on. Next, press the extract function. The machine will then go through 3 program cycles. So for greater consistency, you can turn off the machine and then run it for a second time. Once you're satisfied, turn off the blender. Pour the contents into a glass and there you have it. A delicious smoothie done in just a few minutes. You have just witnessed the awesome power of the NutriBullet Select blender.